Hello guys, so today we have a new lens from Sigma. Yan guys, so we have the Sigma 10-18mm f2.8. It's a wide and again, it's a wide lens with a wider aperture 2.8. And of course, with the best price for 189 Kuwaiti dinar, you have already your wide angle lens 10-18. It's good for APS-C because this is a DCDN. Yan, DCDN, and we have for Sony mount and Fuji mount. Yan, so again guys, we will try to use and make some sample vlogging using this 10-18 to a Fujifilm camera. So yeah, without further ado, but again, if you new to my channel and if you like this kind of content, if you like photography and video, then or vlogging accessories or kit or tools, then please subscribe and hit notification bell so at least you'll be updated for all the videos that we will upload regarding photo, video, and tutorial. So let's try to use this Sigma 10-18mm f2.8. Hello guys, so this is the Sigma 10-18mm f2.8 Fuji mount. So we're using the Fuji XS10. Yeah, so this is the quality, and I'm using only Full HD 24p, and yeah. So this is the quality, and this is how wide it is. It's, I think it's 10. No, it's 18. Sorry. So this is 10. So this is 10mm. It's too much wide. From 10 to 20. So this is 20mm. 18. Sorry, 18mm. From 10-18. So we switch to 10. This is 10mm. Yeah, it's too wide. And ayan, wala nang tao. So again, this is the quality of the lens from Sigma. Sigma 10-18mm f2.8. So if you want to check the lineup for our Sigma, you can visit us here in Symphony Megastore showroom. Yeah, this is our lenses. Yeah, these are lenses from Sigma. Yan. So, yan, madilim na. So, you can visit us here in Symphony Megastore showroom. So, if you want to check the price and availability of the product from Sigma, you can visit our website, www.abworld.com. So, yan, hanggang dito na lang. Zoom in natin. Yun, 80mm. Zoom in agaw, 10mm. Hanggang dito na lang. Thank you and mabuhay.